Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on private browsing in Safari on your iPhone. Private browsing helps keep your search and visit websites from being searched and for being saved to your history. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Safari app. Safari is a default web browser on iPhone. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the tab button. Now tap on the new tab, or you can tap on the new private tab. Now Safari will now switch to private browsing mode. You will notice screen become dark, which lets you know private mode is turned on. To open a website in private browsing, tap on the plus sign to open a new private tab. Then type the website address as usual. While private browsing is on, Safari won't save your browser history. Search history won't be stored. Forms and autofill information won't be remembered. However, keep in the mind that private browsing does not hide your activity from website, your internet provider, or a network administrator. When you are done and want to private browsing off, tap on the tabs button, type private, then switch to a tab, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.